I've got good news for you. Now, do you know you can replace missing or expired driver's license in just 30 minutes? You can even convert a foreign driver's license, or you can acquire an international driving permit in just 30 minutes. Totally unbelievable. So I sent someone to test the system. Our reporter is there to give us updates. Ajua.
Lexus, I'm currently at the Prestige Center DVLA office Accra. Kwame Nkrumah is about to replace his license. His time starts now.
Currently, DVLA has premium centers: Accra 37, Tema, Waja, Kumasi, and the Prestige Center at the head office, where we are doing this verification. Ajua.
Lexus, it's exactly 23 minutes and the verdict is...
Yes!
It works!
Wow! It works!
People, it works. DVLA delivers prestige service in 30 minutes, premium service in 2 weeks, and regular service in 4 weeks. Terms and conditions apply. DVLA, your safety, our concern.